Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been fortunate enough to acquire this lovely 2019 on a 68 plate Suzuki Vitara 1 litre BoosterJet SZ-T, finished in Galactic Grey Metallic. Nice car, lovely car, very low mileage, 13,800 miles, which we'll confirm in a minute. One owner from new. Very minor bit of, very minor bit of scratching around the rear wing, which we're going to get tended to. But we thought we'd get this car online. It's highly desirable colour, it's low mileage, in beautiful condition, just a good all-round vehicle. Really well finished. I particularly like these chrome embellishers around the running lights there. You get privacy glass with this car as standard. Let's check the tailgate section, show you this. Loads of room here, absence of any boot scuffs, any interior plastic scuffs here. 60/40 split rear seat system, load area cover. Great condition vehicle this, in a lovely colour. Will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty, and here at including roadside assistance, and here at TW White & Sons we take any vehicle in part exchange. Will be as competitive as any of the companies advertising online or indeed national television. Just looking inside the car here, you've got this durable grey cloth interior, unmarked. This cloth extends over to the door cards. On this vehicle you've got electric windows, electric door mirrors, electric windows with a one-touch facility on the driver's side. Sitting inside the vehicle, first row switches we come to, headlamp levelling, fog lamps, traction control, and you've got multi-function steering wheel here. Let's just dip the clutch, turn the key, and just confirm up everything on this vehicle. So 14,016 miles, that's all it's done. I'll just turn on the side lights, just turn the volume down on that. Multi-function steering wheel, left hand side we've got stereo controls, you've got integrated Bluetooth with voice control, cruise control, and beyond that wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, and lights on the left hand side with indicators. In the center here you have tachometer, rev counter left hand side with temperature gauge. On the right hand side you've got speedometer and fuel gauge, and here if I press this button it gives you various statistics about the drive of this wonderful car. So it's 14,016 miles, average 42.1 miles per gallon. It does depend on how the vehicle's driven. You will get more, much more than that. 73 miles is what's left in the tank. Instant MPG readout, etc. And then idle times, stopping times, all to do with the stop-start facility of this vehicle. If I keep my finger on this button, you get into the vehicle's main menu here, so you can look at, you can change things like your unit distances, fuel economy, language, reset, temperature, whether you read it in Celsius or Fahrenheit, clock setting, door locks, we got lights, oil change, TPMS, which is tire pressure monitoring system, display item, then default, and then back. So really you can set this car up to your own individual taste. Just before we get into this, there is on this particular car automatic climate control. Press auto, dial in the temperature you want, and it will direct the air automatically and adjust the fan speeds accordingly to the internal temperature of the vehicle. If you want to come off that auto setting, you just adjust the fan and then all go into the mode button here. You see that changes the direction of the air. But Some people just like to input the temperature, say 20.5, hit automatic, and it does everything for you. Down beneath here there is USB socketry and a 12-volt power socket. It doesn't come up clear on this camera, but it is there. 5-speed manual gearbox, which is wonderful to use. These cars are great to drive. They're very well built. Superb road holding, handling and braking performance. Handbrake and centre armrest here. So really great specification with this vehicle. It's got DAB audio. This is all touchscreen. So DAB, you got FM, AM. If you see this little cog button, if we press this, it goes into a sub menu, so you can adjust things like your sound settings, that sort of thing, he said. There we go. Bass, treble, fader, balance, equalizer, presets and speed dependent volume control, which adjusts the sound to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back into it here, radio, text, etc. Home screen, satellite navigation, confirm there. There's your sat nav. The map looks like this at night time. Daytime it's that much brighter, obviously, but we're very early in the morning here. And to do this, you can select your address, town or postcode. You can look at points of interest nearby. So if you wanted to go into banking and business, try and find an automatic teller machine, that'll come up where they highlight where you want to go and it'll take you there. Really good system. Home screen, just turn this down a little bit. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth. You can set up whatever phones you want. Again, into the cog, set up, use phone ringtone, display incoming text message, back to the home screen. And you've also got smartphone linkage here to give you Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you can get some of your icons that are on your phone up here on screen if you attach your phone through the USB socketry. So you'll be able to get stuff like Spotify, Waze navigation, which is a terrific app, and that's all available on this wonderful Suzuki 1.0 BoosterJet SZ-T. Very low miles, as I've said, 14,016 miles. You know, you got rear camera here as well. So complete specification. So just to summarize here, this car will come with 12 months roadside assistance, 12 months Suzuki approved warranty. It will come fully serviced. We'll get that little mark done on the back. That's nothing. We'll take any vehicle here in part exchange at TW White & Sons, and to, as I said earlier, we'll be as competitive as any of the online companies, or indeed any of the companies advertising on national television purporting to buy your part exchange. And we'll sell you another vehicle with extremely and highly competitive funding facilities, things like personal contract plans, etc. Make motoring that much more affordable. So to summarize the vehicle, it's a 2019 Owner 68, one owner from new, done 14,016 miles, Suzuki Vitara 1.0 BoosterJet SZ-T, finished in Galactic Grey, and comes with DAB, digital audio, smartphone linkage, satellite navigation, integrated Bluetooth, climate control, air conditioning, cruise control, stereo controls on the multi-function steering wheel, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, obviously, and it's got here electric door mirrors, rear fog lamps, front fog lamps, headlamp leveling, the lot, traction control. A really great spec vehicle. If you want to find out more about this car, or indeed our company, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.